So you got to say, gee, Rob, why have you got the Kawasaki generator in pieces? You know, like, what's possessed you to do such a thing? It was running fine, and then it stopped. And then I put a new spark plug in it. And guess which spark plug it was? Yep, it was that non-functional Champion spark plug that I showed just a little bit earlier. Its two brothers and sisters were not far behind it as being almost totally useless in the spark division. And I showed you what a good old Bosch and a KLG could both do in the same circumstances. And one wasn't even brand new. So yeah, to say I'm pissed off is an understatement. This has not been one of my better days. Okay, just shows you what can happen straight out of the box. Just because it's new, just don't take it for granted it's going to be okay. It can still be a dud. Okay, see you next time. Cheers.